You are watching Andis Collins in China Daily Video. Saturday, May 11th, 2024. Here's the view of the school campus from the third floor building. Now, oops, almost stumbled there. And now, here's the view from the second floor. Busy day rushing around, and now this is the view from the back of the line of the traffic jam I'm stuck in. Anyway, this is the hump, and I'm trying to get back to the apartment. Doesn't seem to be working. Anyway, thank you for watching today's Andis Collins in China Daily Video. Not a friendly one today. This traffic is annoying.